We now know from the lawsuits that we have brought that the asbestos industry has known about asbestos and lung cancer going back to the 1940s. And when we bring cases, this is how they defend them. They say, it must have been the cigarette smoking and not the asbestos. Well, we know that's not true because here's the evidence. If you're a smoker, you have a 5 times greater risk of getting lung cancer than a non-smoker and somebody never exposed to asbestos. And if you've been exposed to asbestos, you have a 10 times greater risk of getting lung cancer. But if you smoked and you were exposed to asbestos, that is like gasoline on a fire. Your chance of getting lung cancer is 50 to 100 times greater than someone who has never smoked and never been exposed. And the asbestos industry knew this, and they never warned, and they never gave the people the benefit of their knowledge. And as a result, all kinds of people have come down with asbestos-related lung cancer. Factory workers, tradesmen, even family members. We bring lawsuits against companies that put profits over people, and we've represented thousands of asbestos victims and their families. Our mission here at Cohen Placitel and Roth is to help families obtain the compensation they deserve. We right wrongs. Results matter.